Okay. Hopefully you watched the two quick little videos I put on supply and demand. Here's a video just to get you guys started on the 5D notes. Okay. So the functions for supply and demand, they show the relationship between the quantity of a good produced, okay, the quantity of a good produced, and market price. Okay. So we're not talking about a straight money. We're talking about market price. Okay. So if we look at the supply and demand graph that we sort of had on there, right? Supply goes like that, demand goes like that, right? So they're going to meet at a place. That place is called the equilibrium. Okay. And at that point, we determine the equilibrium price, okay, and quantity produced of any given item. Okay, so the price and the quantity produced. So the price that we find is over here, and the quantity given produces our X value, more or less. Okay. So if we were to do this and these graph equations, I just put really, price is sort of a function um, of quantity, not really the other way around, but the axes are sort of drawn like this. So if we have our supply function, okay, is price is equal to 20Q plus 4,000. So that's what our supply function is. Okay, it's P equals 20Q plus 4,000. Okay, and our demand function coming down here is negative 40Q plus 10,000. Okay. All right. To find that equilibrium point, again, we're going to find the system of equation. We're going to solve for the system of equation. So we're going to equal the 20Q plus 4,000, equal that to negative 40Q plus 10,000. Okay. So we'll solve that equation for Q, plug it back in to solve for P, and that'll be that. So if we move the Q over there, over here, we have 60Q on one side. Okay. On the other side, 10,000 minus 4,000 is 6,000. Okay. So 60Q being 6,000 means the quantity that's going to be supplied is 6,000 divided by 60, which is going to be 100. Okay. So there's going to be 100 barrels of oil produced in this given little economy right here. Okay. And now to find the price, okay, again, we'll just put our 100 back in that Q function right there. I know the price is going to be a little bit higher than what it is. I just wanted to put some random numbers here. So the price would be 20 times 100, plus 4,000, which is, 20 times 100 is 2,000 plus 4,000 is 6,000. So that'll be that. Okay, so your equilibrium quantity produced would be 100, and the equilibrium price would be $6,000 a barrel. Again, I know it's kind of unrealistic, but just for the sake of what the equations look like, and how do you find equilibrium, that's it. Okay, so that's your 5D notes, and let me know if you have any questions.